Greetings and various assorted salutations. This is kind of a announcement video for kind of the end of the week for my U.S. History 3 course. As you may recall, we took yesterday our first quiz, the Rise of Hitler lecture quiz. This was quite challenging to a number of you. You learned that spelling is kind of important. And that is probably one of the issues that many students ran into, is they did not feel they needed to spell as accurately as they perhaps should have. There is a bit of problem on my end as well. I didn't train the artificial intelligence grading the fill-in-the-blank portions to be as specific as I would have liked it to in hindsight. And so what I've been working on is I've been developing some protocol to fix that. And so as I'm going through people's quizzes, this is also the first time we've ever used this quiz program, so I expected a few hiccups here and there. What you will observe is that your grade will not go down, but it is likely to go up as I make various corrections and adjustments to fix it. But one of the big adjustments I will be making is the computer will be a bit more flexible with how spelling is done. I will detail that in a document attached in the announcements when you look at it on Canvas. Essentially, I'm using this mathematical equation that the computer already runs to basically forgive a certain degree of misspelling. And this will be the rules going forward on quizzes for U.S. History 3. Other matters to mention, most students have most of their student choice assignments assigned. I'm a bit behind schedule on assigning all of them, so if you said pick one for me or something to that effect, you may not have all your choices up yet. That's okay. It's an issue on my end. It just takes a certain amount of time to plug in people's names and issue the assignment. But if there are any errors with that, please let me know via as detailed in the operations manual. So there'll probably be an email to me if there's some error with the ones you were assigned. Other details for U.S. History 3. Our next quiz, which will follow the new grading protocols that I'm putting in place and will be detailed below in the Canvas announcement version. But the next quiz will be September 22nd, Early Aggressions. So if we're still at level 2, so if you are in my first half of the week classes, you will be taking that quiz in class. If you are not, and you're in the later half of the week as per protocol, you'll be taking that quiz at some point during the 24-hour period that quiz is available. The flexibility of rules will be much tighter because I'm expecting you guys to understand and learn from the first quiz. The quizzes really don't change that much. We're just going to refine the protocol now that you know what you're getting yourself into. In any case, I think that's about it. I hope your first Friday e-learning day went well. I know mine went fairly well. I was in communication with a number of students addressing different questions, quiz-related and not. But in any case, I probably will see you as the schedule dictates. Do recall, one other thing, when we're at level 2, on the 2 days you're not in class, and the e-learning Friday, you are expected to be working on assignments in this class. You will not have enough time and in class otherwise to complete everything. There is the presumption that there is some out-of-class work on those days where you are working remote. So please plan accordingly. Refer to the unit checklist as needed to do so. As always, contact methods can be reached through the operations manual. And next week we've got we're getting into World War II more deeply. So I guess until later.